Hello, everybody. Here we are back at it again with another Ethereum market update. The day is September 12th, about 2 minutes from closing, 2 hours from closing. So, yes. In the last episode, it was, I believe, also the 12th. Yeah, it was also the 12th. And I was recording right at around this breakout. I was saying that that this line right here is really important, and that we had a clear breakout from this area, and um, that we are likely to break out. And when I saw that this was slowing down, that I took out my buy here. Not my buy, but my sell here, because I thought that it was likely to go up. And, lo and behold, here we are going up to the target that I think that is still my target, right? The previous all-time high here at 48.60, somewhere there. We have a little bit of volatility happening right here. This is the price trying to close below now that we're broken into this range. So this is another range right here that's been marked out. And we hit this range, and we were pushed back down like a lot. I think we went all the way back down here actually, and there was a crazy wick, but we're currently attempting to break into this range right here and solidify ourselves in this range. Especially on the daily frame, I think that it would be important for us to close somewhere up here. This would be pretty much our third highest daily close within like I think ever, maybe. I'd have to go all the way back to the past. But right, we want to close. I think this is the daily frame's not actually so important. Um, I think it's more usually the daily frame is important when you're coming close to like a close, but we're very clearly, bullish and having like one of those, 5, 6, 7% days that I was talking about. So I did want to say that I did add to my Ethereum long position. If you saw my video yesterday, um, you would have saw that I was debating about adding here. And after some deliberation, I decided yes, like it makes sense if the target is, 7, 8 more percent, then why would I not take it? So I ended up adding here at 45, 22, and it's been straight green since there. My position was up, I believe, like 137 before, and now it's up 437. So $300 more, which is great. My plan is still to take out around the same amount up here. I'll probably actually increase this up to um, maybe a full point 0.6, point 0.7, maybe even point 0.8. Now that my position is that much larger, I'd be comfortable taking out a decent amount of profit from this position, locking in more of this trade. Um, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to make a quick update for today because, we're breaking out. My target is still the same around these all-time highs. Um, the only thing to note, this is a very, very important thing to note. We did all of this movement in today, right? In a Friday, right? And we only have about a couple hours left of this day. What this means to me is that over the weekend, there's this whole area of movement, right? I can see that maybe possibly over the weekend we come back and retest 4,500 or so. So that's my only concern, is us possibly getting rejected back down, 5%, 4 or 5% over the weekend, possibly, in order to retest this area. I would still remain bullish, and I would almost assume that we would come back up to these highs if we do open the following week down in these levels. Um, but we'll see. What I think is more likely is that we have like the FOMC meeting happening next week, and everyone's kind of in the sentiment that we're going to be cutting rates. And so I have a feeling that we'll stay in this range for the weekend, Monday, maybe a little bit of Tuesday, and then come time for the FOMC meeting, we will break out of this range and go towards my bullish target, which is my next target is 58, right? From 48 to 58. And yeah. Um, so, I mean, hope you guys are doing well. And yeah, happy trading, everybody. Peace.